Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new on my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Nelly and today I am bringing you guys a very easy, simple tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to apply individual lashes, and the lashes that I'll be using today are from ILO London. The reason why I went for these particular lashes is because of the different length. If you guys can see at the very top, this one right there, these are the shorter ones, the middle ones are the middle in length, and the last row are the longer ones. Naturally, when I apply lashes, I really like to go for that effect. You know, like the ones which are shorter in the front and long at the back, like these ones over here. This is the kind of lash that I would go for normally. So when I found that these are different lengths, I was like, okay, this is perfect because I can create the kind of effect that I am looking for. Okay, so you guys, for this you are going to need a pair of lashes or like a box of lashes, and you are going to need a pair of tweezers. Even better if you have a lash applicator, which I don't have, but tweezers work just as fine. Some people are really good at this and they can actually do it with their hands. I'm not one of them. So inside you get the lashes, and this one right over here is the glue, and this one over here is the remover. It's written here at the back that the gold lid is the glue and the black lid is the remover. It also comes with a booklet insert, like I think this is just them instructing you how to apply the lashes. So first things first, you have to take out your glue because that's the one that we're going to be using right now. Okay guys, so I applied the lashes using the glue that they came with, and I realized that the glue is not the best quality, or rather it wasn't working so nicely for me. So I decided to switch up glues. So let me show you guys on this eye. So the glue that I'll be using is this one from Kiss. This is called the Strip Lash Adhesive from Kiss. You can find this from Clicks or Discam. Mine is so dirty and it's so loved because I use it so much. So what I did was I applied a bit of it on the edge. So right there, I applied the glue. Then I take my tweezers. I'm going to start out on the outer corner, and for the outer corner I'm going to be using the medium length. So I'm just going to pick one of those. Obviously you guys, this is quite a tedious process, and do not be harsh on yourself. If you happen to drop the lash, it's perfectly fine. Just pick it up and readjust it on your tweezers. You take the base of the lash, that part that is like a button, and you just dip it into the glue like that. So you have a bit of glue on the end of the lash like that, and you have to wait for it to dry before you apply it on to your lashes, because if you don't wait for it to dry, it's just gonna bounce around. It's the same concept as when you are using strip lashes. If you apply glue on your strip lashes and you try to go directly into your eye, it will not stick, it will just bounce around, fall off, because you have to wait for it to dry and for it to get tacky. So you just do the same thing here, wave it around, blow on it, wait for it to dry. Going in from the top like this, you look down on your mirror, stick, like that. There you have your first lash. You just repeat the same process, dip it in, you wait for it to dry, and then going in from the top like that. This is the last long lash I am gonna apply. Like that. Then just push it forward, because you don't want it to be standing straight up. You want it to curve like a natural lash. So now I'm gonna go back onto the short ones at the top. You look down onto your mirror and then you just pop it in place like that, and then you push it forward. So now I'm gonna go on to the last one, the short one. And then you just look down and pop it on. Okay guys, so that's how it looks from close up. From far, that is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply bottom mascara. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. Honestly, my personal opinion is that strip lashes are much better in terms of value as well, because if you look at how many lashes I have left, it's not a lot. So I paid like 100 rands just so that I can wear lashes once, because if I take this off, how am I going to store them? How am I going to keep them? How will I remove the excess glue from the individual lash? So personally, I'll just buy strip lashes and wear those. But if you're a person that likes a bit more of a natural look, then this is definitely for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.